So good news for latest watch iOS 10. Now you can download all kind of apps on your Apple Watch. So first of all, make sure your watch is updated. If not, just update your watch. My current watch version is watch 10.1.1. So it's the updated, and then you need to scroll down and make sure App Store is visible on your iPhone. Now go to your Apple Watch, and then you can see the App Store. So press on there. Suppose you want to install Spotify, like that, Spotify, and press on search, and then Spotify is comes on. Suppose you want to install WhatsApp, press on search. You can also get it WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. So it's a very easy process. Now you can install any kind of apps on your Apple Watch. I am installing my Spotify here. You can listen song from your Apple Watch. You can also play YouTube song on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily install all apps on your Apple Watch. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.